Hello again, everyone. Welcome again to another edition of our catch up with Victor Say, our resident commentator here. Um, okay, Victor. As you expected, we got a stronger dollar, and DXY, in fact, is now above the 200-day moving average. So interesting there. Stocks back on risk on mode. Dow Jones above 33,000. S&P is beckoning at 4,000, I think. Nasdaq above 13,000 again. Tens back to 1.67%, and VIX is well below 20. So yeah, looks like stocks could be bought again. So anyway, next week, we've got employment report and some European PMIs, I suppose. But it does look like another strong report coming up soon. So what do you think of the markets now, Victor?
Hi there once again, folks. Hope you had a good week last week, especially those who are short euro. I guess you all did quite well. Continue to stay short because this euro still has some ways to go before it stabilizes. The upcoming week will be very, very important and will be very, very scary in the sense that it is a short week because of Good Friday. So it's going to be very, very thin in terms of liquidity.
Right.
So you may have exaggerated moves next Monday to Thursday. So be very careful. But I suppose those who are short euro, those who are short Aussie, those who are short Kiwi against the dollar, you should be all right because like YC was saying, the DXY, the dollar index broke above the SMA, 200 SMA,
Right.
which means it has another 2% to go in the short term. And over the next quarter, maybe even up to 5%, up to end of June. Yeah. So, of course, next week we have the all-important non-farm payroll, which is expected to come in at 500K.
Yeah.
Some are even calling for higher than 500K.
Yeah, much higher.
Yes. So imagine if it goes like 600, 650K, imagine where the dollars will be. All right. Imagine where yields will be. US 10-year yields closed very strongly on Friday, although it was smashed down to below 160. It closed at about 167.5. Yes, so it is going to probably start moving up again on Monday, up to the jobs number. So with jobs number that is so high, and with employment rate expected to fall to 6.1%, along with another strong ISM manufacturing number, we can expect the same movement next week for Euro against US. So continue to stay short Euro against US. But I want to talk to you something on Aussie, which I promised you guys about 2 weeks ago. Aussie is on the cuffs of a meltdown. If it breaks 0.75, 60, 70, there is a very big head and shoulder formation. And the neckline is at 0.75, 60, 70. If it breaks that one, you have 200 points to go down. And going by the strength of the dollar, going by the way it is moving, I think it's only a matter of time. So Aussie closed at 0.76, about 35.40.
Yeah.
What I would do next week is Monday morning, I come in, I'll just, with gun blazing, I'll just sell Aussie. All right. I will still sell Euro because Euro is near 1.18. Some fellows tried to bring it up to 118. My friend would like to say some monkeys like to bring it up to 118, but it got smashed straight away below that, and it ended at 1.1793.
Yeah.
So I think again next week, the start of the week, you'll see people selling Euro, selling Aussie. Kiwi, they will still sell, but the movement in Kiwi is going to be slower now. So you're going to see Aussie Kiwi correcting back from its highs of what, 109.40. Maybe you'll go back to 105, 108.50, maybe even lower if the head and shoulder pattern, takes place. All right, if the Aussie gets sold down. So be careful next week. It's going to be a short week, thin liquidity. But those who are long US dollars and short the rest of the currencies, I think you're in for a good time next week, because all the numbers are in favor of the dollar. And of
Right.
course, just a reminder, pandemic season is very, very much alive in Europe. They are in their third wave. Angela Merkel said that. So the numbers that you saw last week out of Eurozone, those strong numbers, they're not going to be there next month. So more misery for the euro. So again, I hope that this will help you in your trading decision next week. But please be careful out there because of the liquidity problem. And I know that you guys are following quite closely. So have a good trading week ahead and make lots of money. So we'll see you again either midweek this round, maybe not because of the short week. So I'll see you, talk to you next weekend, probably around Saturday or so again. See you folks and happy trading. Bye.
Okay, thanks, Victor. And guys, there you have it. I'm expecting dollar strength to continue, and then look out for the Aussie. Right now, just looking at my MT4, struggling at a 108 MA. Thanks again for watching. See you all next week. Take care. Happy Good Friday. Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell reminder so you won't miss any special monetization opportunities. Go follow now.